Hello, I'm Ella, CEO and co-founder of Nocturne, where we bring down the walls of the increasing burden of neurological diseases by simply using the eye as a window to the brain. Multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's, Alzheimer are not only extremely difficult to diagnose, involving cost and time-consuming tests not always widely available, but even when you finally have the diagnosis, which can take up to years, there are no easy accessible tools to provide an optimal monitoring for these patients. Our goal with Nocturne is to support physicians to improve these processes, since numerous studies have already shown that if you provide an early diagnosis and a more personalized treatment, this has the potential to delay disability by years. And in order to do so, we make use of an already existing and established hardware on the market that is time and cost efficient and gives you high resolution images of the retina. What we develop is an AI-based software solution that analyzes these pictures specifically for neurological applications. For the market entry, we provide this as a local installable application that is very easy for the user. So you just upload the picture, start the analysis, and you get back in a couple of minutes a report with the relevant parameters. We have three customer segments: the academic research, the clinical industry for drug trials, but our main focus is the healthcare, specifically large hospitals and practices, which we'll address after receiving the CE mark for fall this year. Our business model is a pay-per analysis, which is quite common for services in this field. When we look at the market, what's striking is not only the large number of patients that is constantly increasing, but also the enormous cost on the healthcare. What we know so far for our first clinical application, multiple sclerosis, is that if you start early with the diagnosis and provide an optimal monitoring, this has a huge potential because it can reduce the disease activity by more than 50%, delay disability by years, and ultimately, of course, reduce the cost on the healthcare. So we invite you to rethink the standard care for the diseases that we mentioned, starting with multiple sclerosis, because we have the potential to improve the initial diagnosis, which reduces the delay in starting with the treatment, but also provide a risk assessment for the patient that might develop a more aggressive course of the disease, and improve the monitoring, which means having a more informed therapy decision, a more personalized therapy decision. We, the founders at Nocturne, worked together more than 6 years to develop this technology, and we bring together several skills from clinic, AI, imaging, but also experience with bringing other medical devices on the market. What we achieved so far since funding in 2018 is that we did several validation studies. We filed 3 patents. We also work with hospitals from Germany, US, and Canada. We received several grants from the German government, but also from the European Commission, and we are about to receive the CE mark. We are also collaborating with one of the largest imaging center from Switzerland, MIAC, and we are also in an innovative pilot multi-center project organized by Novartis for multiple sclerosis. We also started this year collaborating with 2 hardware manufacturers. We are always looking for hospitals to use our solution, but also for partners in the academic and in the industry field. So I invite you to bring down this wall of the burden of neurological diseases such that we all can spend more quality time with our loved ones. Thank you.